Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 12 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. So far we have explored formulas, lookups and functions like index and match. What today? It is time for one of Excel's most powerful features, pivot tables. And remember, the complete series playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. Make sure you watch it in order to build your Excel skills step by step. Part 1. What is a pivot table? A pivot table is a dynamic tool in Excel that helps you summarize, analyze and present large amount of data quickly and easily. Instead of writing long formulas, you can drag and drop fields to create instant reports. Part 2. Creating your first pivot table. Let's say we have sales data. Column A, salesperson. Column B, reason. Column C, product. Column D, sales amount. Here is how you create a pivot table. Number 1, select your data. Number 2, go to the insert tab, pivot table. Number 3, choose where to place it. New sheet is west. Now you will see pivot table field span. Number 3, drag and drop magic. This is where the magic happens. Example 1. Drag salesperson to rows. Drag sales amount to values. Now you instantly see sales per person. Example 2. Drag reason to columns. Drag sales amount to values. Now you see sales broken down by reason. Example 3. Add product to rows. Reason to columns. Sales amount to values. You now have a professional summary reports in seconds. Part 4. Adding filters and slicers. Pivot tables become even more powerful with filters and slicer. Add year or month to the filter area. You can view sales by period. Insert a slicer. You get a clickable button waste filter that's look professional and is super easy for anyone to use. Part 5. Pivot table formatting. A good pivot table isn't just about data, it is about presentations. Use number formatting to display currency, percentage or whole numbers. Apply pivot table styles for a professional look. Use grand totals and subtotals wisely to highlight, summarize. Part 6. Practical business use cases. Sales performance reports. Employee productivity summarize. Expense tracking by category. Customer analyze by reason or product. Companies love pivot tables because they turn raw data into instant insight. So in this episode we learn how to create and use pivot tables to summarize and analyze data like a pro. In episode 13 we will take pivot tables even further by creating pivot charts to visualize your summarize. This is where analyze meets storytelling. Don't forget, the complete Excel Beginner to Advanced playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. If this video added value, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution and press the bell icon so you never miss the next episode. See you in episode 13.